Start designing with Elementor. A simple drag and drop is what we're going to be doing. So the very first thing, let's create um our first design. So what I did was click on this plus here. It will bring you different options here, and you can choose from this structure whichever one, but we are going with this. And I would like to change this to full width, and then height, change it to minimum height, and then click on this middle button that we have here. If I click on this, it's going to delete this. If I click on this, it's going to add another new section, but we want to edit this section, so we have to click on the middle one to edit the section. And then we go to style. Under the style, either I can just edit the background, or I can basically drag this image and put it in the background and put it in the section. But I want to edit the background and add the image to the background, not into the section. So I will go to the background here, and then this is background type. There's this classic, this one says gradient, and this one says video, and this one says slideshow. So if I click on classic, I can either add a picture or I can add a color. So if I go to color, I can basically add a color, and it's going to show the color. And if I go to choose image, I can basically upload a picture. Let's see a picture that I can upload. So I can let me just find something. So I can basically let me upload this. So it's going to be like this. So I can upload a picture and go back to the layout. This minimum height means I can either increase it to show more of the image, I can bring it up like this. So either way you want. And if the way you see it is basically like the image is like in a tile form. So if you want to change that, and then if you go to the style, so now in style is where you can do that. So I can click the position, and I can just click on center, or I can just click on custom, either way. But I think I'm going to put it on default, and then the size, I'm going to put it in cover, so it's going to show the image alone. And that's if I want to use the picture. But I'm not. If you don't want to use the picture, you can also use a gradient. you know it shows the pink and black color. I might change this color. Let's change this color to something like green. Yeah. So if you want to use gradients, you can also use a gradient, and you can make this thing a linear gradient, whichever ones you're looking for. Also, if you want to put in a video, you can put in a video. And if you want a slideshow, let me show you how the slideshow works, and we can just add multiple images into this. Let's add 3 more images, just to show you how the slideshow works. Create new gallery and then insert this. Now it's going to fade because we've set it at fade, but I would like to put it as slide left, so it's going to move left, if you see. So that's how the slideshow is gonna work. I like using slideshows a lot for my website. It just seems more cool. So that's that for the website. So I don't want to use any one of these. So I'd rather just go back to this. Let me delete this. So I just go to solid color, and then you can add either a text or an image here. So if I want to add a text here, I can just go to heading, and then I'll drag this and drop it here, and then I will change the text. Welcome to WordPress. So now I can edit anything I want to edit here. Go to style. Let's change this color to white, and then I can increase the size under typography. and then I can change the font if I want to. Let's use this, or I can go back to this, anyone I want, and I can do more line height, you know letter spacing, whatever you want to do, you can do that with that. So this basically you can just keep adding more and more and more and more of this to create your website. And when you are done to create your design, sorry, so if I can just go add something else. If it's a picture you want to put here, you can just go drag this here and then choose an image and then put it there, you know and I would like to stretch this image. I'll just I'll click on this, and then I'll stretch this, and then I'll put this on full width. Okay, the reason why it's not stretching is because the image that I'm using, this is actually the size. So if I'm using some, let me look for another image. I have to upload. Let me look for another image. Okay, let me use this. Insert. See, the image I was using actually before was a small image. That's why it's not filling up the screen. So this is a big image. So that's that. So you can also add your text inside here if you want to. You can basically do this, which will enable you to add two sections. If you want to add two images, you can just do that here, and you can just put one image here and then another image here. So you can just start designing your website any way you want to do it that way.